Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube, and if you're new, please like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl, and if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video we're going to be talking about Dalton. Okay, as you guys know, Dalton is heating up the UK X Factor and he's doing his thing, and he is a Jamaican national. So let's get into the story, and it says Jamaican singer Dalton Harris have successfully made it into the live rounds of the British competition X Factor, which airs on ITV in the United Kingdom. Harris delivered a Marcus performance of the Beyonce's Listen during Lucius Tomlinson judges hosts round, completely wowing the judges, who called the performance near perfect and described Harris' vocals as beautiful. The 24-year-old 2010 Digicel Rising Star winner set the perfect emotional tone for the performance by talking about the naysayers who doubted his ability to make it to the pinnacle of his career. I'm just a normal 24-year-old kid from Jamaica who has been told no his whole entire life. They said I couldn't do it. A Jamaican will never get a record deal. Lies they tell. So I want to prove some people wrong, he told the judges. One Direction star Louis Tomlinson plus guest judge fellow One Direction star Liam Payne and Nile Rodgers asked why he had chosen to sing the particular song. He responded, I chose the song because of the message. The message is saying, stop listening and listen to me now. This is my time to pursue my dreams the way I wanted to. What was so incredible about that, aside from the unbelievable vocals, was the whole story that you just told us before then, and it came to life during that performance. You achieved exactly what you wanted. I believe every single word, Tomlinson said. Payne said he would never listen to that song the same ever again. You should be very, very proud of yourself, Payne told Harris. On Twitter on Saturday, Harris tweeted "woo" from his account in response to Louis Tomlinson's complimentary comment that Dalton can do crazy with his voice. X Factor. Hashtag X Factor. Harris is now officially on his way to a shot at stardom. He joins other singers Brandon Murray, Anthony Russell, Armstrong Martin from the boys category in Ibiza, who will go through the live shows, which will kick off on ITV next Saturday evening. Harris manager Dalton Germain told news reporter Claude Mills that the real work begins now. Added Germain was very proud of Dalton, and I know that Jamaica will give him the full support through these challenging live rounds. I believe Dalton can go all the way. I believe Dalton can go all the way also. I feel like he can do it. There are a lot of Jamaicans that live in the United Kingdom, and if it's primarily based on voting, voice and vocals, I think he has it down pat. Quite frankly, it's very bad to see that a Jamaican with such great potential like Dalton has had to go all the way to the UK to get his recognition, to get his notoriety, to get people to talk about him. But that's just how Jamaicans are. You have to take a flight first and come back for them to respect you and give you your props. So big up to Dalton. He's doing his thing. I'm sure he can win because Tesha Chin was not an American and she won The Voice. She did that. So I hope Dalton take it to them the Jamaica way and make us proud as Jamaican, because we believe in him, we support him, and we want to see him do well in the UK X Factor. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you are Britain native and if you have been voting for him, or what do you think of his vocal qualities? Do you think he has the potential to win X Factor? Because a lot of British nationals say it doesn't have anything to do with talent, it has more to do with popularity. As far as X Factor is concerned, comment what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.